Welcome back. BJP has fielded for third the MLA Damu Naik as their candidate for Rajya Sabha polls. It's going to be a straight fight between Congress candidates Shantaram Naik and BJP's Damu Naik for Goa's only Rajya Sabha seat. BJP is betting on cross-voting to win the poll. BJP has got only 14 MLAs in assembly. Damu Naik, after filing nomination, took oath in Konkani, hinting at use of MOI issue in his campaign. Here is a report.
Sources say Damu Naik is the no-option candidate for the BJP. Sources claim Damu Naik was given a ticket by the BJP as there are chances of other candidates pulling less votes for the Rajya Sabha polls. Damu Naik filed nomination in the presence of opposition leader Manohar Parrikar, party president Lakshmikant Parsekar and other party MLAs. BJP has 14 MLAs in assembly. To win the election, BJP must get votes of 21 MLAs. Soon after filing nomination, Damu took oath in Konkani, thus signalling that he can play medium of instruction card to pull votes of other party MLAs.
हांव दामोदर नायक राज्यसभेची सुवात भरपाक उमेदवार म्हणून नाम निर्देशीत जाल्ल्यान देवाक उगडास करून सोपूत घेता गंभीरतायेन प्रतिज्ञा करता की हांव कायद्या प्रमाण स्थापीत केल्ल्या भारतीय संविधानाचेर पुराय श्रद्धा आनी विश्वास दवरतलो आनी भारताची सार्वभौमताय आनी अखंडताय सांबाळून दवरतलो.
मातृभाशेंतल्यान शपथ घेवपाचें कारण की हो जो विशय जो सगळे कडेन चल्ला तो विशय सगळी लोकांक कळचो, त्या विशयाचें म्हत्व कळचें.
पण आमचे चवदा असले जाल्यार अन्य लोकांचे आहा न्हय, बाकीच्या पार्टींचे आहा. एमजीन ऑलरेडी म्हणलेलें आहा की शांतारामाक तांचो सपोर्ट ना म्हणून. एनसीपी म्हाका दिसता शांतारामाचें स्वताचें स्टेटमेंट आहा की कोएलिशन नाका म्हणून, काँग्रेसीन आपल्या ताकदीचेर फुडें वचचें म्हणून. त्यामुळे सद्या हाका फक्त ताच्या ताकदीचेर फुडें वचपाची संदी मेळ्ळ्या न्हय.
समज तुमी जिखले जाल्यार तुमचे लोक एज एन एम एल ए ते सीट आसा ते खंयच्यान वयतले सरदेसाय खंयच्यान?
भारतीय जनता पार्टीचें तें सीट आसा थंय मागीर फाल्यां कोणूय दुसरो रावूं ताका जिखून हाडपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो.
Sitting Rajya Sabha MP and Congress nominee Shantaram Naik filed his nomination on Monday. Shantaram Naik is also confident that he would also pull votes of MGP, NCP and independent MLAs to raise his margin to 26. Congress has 20 MLAs in assembly. Elections for Rajya Sabha would be held on 22nd July. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
For the second time in Rajya Sabha polls, open ballot system would be used in Goa. Open ballot system is notified by Election Commission of India. In this system, election agent is appointed by a party to see whom the MLAs are voting. But BJP has strongly objected to this system. They say open ballot is not a good choice of voting.
Rajya Sabha elections are scheduled on 22nd July. Shantaram Naik of Congress and Damu Naik are two candidates for the polls. Election Commission of India in 2003 had come out with the open ballot system of voting. In this system, candidates appoint an election agent. These election agents then monitor the votes of their MLAs.
Open ballot system they, as per the guidelines of the Election Commission of India, under they have amended recently in 2003 by notification issue करून open ballot system केल्ली आसा. ती प्रत्येक इलेक्शन ते आमी गायडलायन्स आसा ते इश्यू करतले प्रत्येक इलेक्टराक कशें आहा पळय ते ओपन बॅलेट.
But BJP is not convinced about this system. They say it affects the secrecy of voting.
ओपन बॅलेट फॉर होम? एनसीपीचो काँग्रेसीक कित्याक दाखयतलो ओपन? एनजीपीचो काँग्रेसीक कित्याक दाखयतलो? दॅट इज नॉट परमिटेड. तुज्या पार्टीच्या मनशाक ओपन दाखोवपाक मेळटा आनी ओपन दाखोवप हाजो अर्थ तुवें वोटींग वेगळ्या मनशाक करप ना अशें कांय रूल ना.
जरी पद्धत असली, इलेक्शन कमिशनान जरी पद्धत घाली तरी हांव त्या पद्धतीच्या विरोधात आसा पर्सनली. खरें म्हणजे जो निवडून आयिल्लो आसा, लोकप्रतिनिधी आसा, आमदार हो हांगासरलो वोटर आसा, त्यामुळे आमदाराक ताचे मतानुसार आपल्याचें मत दिवपाक म्हणूंक जाय. लोकशाहीच्या विरोधात आसा, फंडामेंटल रायटाच्या विरोधात आसा.
But sources say there are almost no chances of this open ballot system getting changed as it has been approved by the Election Commission of India. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
NCP leaders camping in Mumbai against Desh Prabhu have now moved on to Delhi. They met NCP leader Praful Patel and briefed him about Desh Prabhu's statements. Some of the leaders also met NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar.
A major group of some NCP leaders supporting Bharti Chauhan met Union Minister and NCP leader Praful Patel. They have briefed Praful Patel about Desh Prabhu's anti-party stand and his fury against Bharti Chauhan. Praful Patel has assured the leaders to look into the matter. Party State President Surendra Sirsat briefed us on the latest development in a telephonic conversation.
पवार साहेबांनी जी पळय माहिती दिल्या की गोंयांत सध्या घडला ते
हां
ती माहिती आमी तांकां दिल्लेली आहा
हां तेंचें कितें म्हणणें
तेन्ना आयकून घेतला तेणे कितें आसा तो आपूण सांगता मागीर म्हणून तुमकां तुमी तुमच्या कामाक लागा आतां इलेक्शनां लागीं पावलेलीं आसात
हय
आनी तुमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय रावन काम करात म्हणून बाकी कितें सध्या हें घडटा ती सगळेच तुमी लक्ष दिवंक वचनाका आमी कितें निर्णय घेवं.
Goa observer Bharti Chauhan, President Surendra Sirsat, Suresh Parulekar and Venkatesh Prabhu Moni met Sharad Pawar again. The agenda was different this time. It was about party's development and implementation of central agricultural schemes in Goa.
आमचे पार्टी ऑर्गनायझेशनचे थोडी चर्चा करू
हां
कशें पार्टी फुडें व्हरपाचें तेणी एक मार्गदर्शन केलां आमकां आणि त्याच बरोबर त्यांचे काही जे कितें कृषी खात्याचे कितें योजना आसात त्यांच्या खात्यान
हां
तांच्या संदर्भात चर्चा जाली
हां ते योजना गोंयांत हाडपाच्यो
आणि आज आमी ते ऑफिसांतून बी कितें तेजे जे पळय कितें योजना संदर्भांचे काही पुस्तिका आणि कितें कितें जे पळय आहा माहिती
हय
ते आमी आज एकठांय केल्या
हां
गोंयांत आमकां कितलो तेजी योजना आमी मांडू शकता अंमलात हाडू शकता लोकांक बेनिफीट मेळोंक शकतलो गोंयच्या त्या संदर्भात ती एक करपा लागून आमी ती सगळी माहिती मेळयल्या.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Workers of Fun School India Limited Company held a dharna at Labour Commission's office on Tuesday. Workers claim that management has failed to fulfill their long-pending demand of hike in salary. Workers also allege that Labour Commission is pressurized by the Labour Minister and Chief Minister.
The hearing on the matter was scheduled on Tuesday at Labour Court at Pato. There are around 118 workers working for Fun School India Limited Company at Korli. 95 workers are registered with the ITUC. Increase in monthly salary of workers is a long-pending demand. Workers claim that even after working for 20 years, they earn only 5,000 rupees per month. Workers have alleged that the Labour Commission is being pressurized by the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and Labour Minister Choki Alamau. General Secretary of ITUC Raju Mangeshkar also alleged harassment of workers by the management of Fun School India Limited Company.
मॅनेजमेंटान मागणे मान्य करपाचें सोड युनियन रिकॉग्नायज करपाचें सोड कामगारां हॅरेसमेंट चालू केलो. लेबर कमिशनान नोटीस दिवन 12 तारखेक आज सिक्रेट बॅलट व्हेरिफिकेशन दवरलें की आपूण बाबा मेजॉरिटी कोण आसा ठरयता आनी सडनली आमकां 2 दिसां पयलीं नोटीस दिली की आपूण जी मांडावळ ठरयल्या ती फाटीं घेता विथड्रॉ करता नोटीस दिली. इट इज शेम ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ लेबर. गोंयचो मुखेलमंत्री दिगंबर कामत सांगता म्हणून गोंयचो लेबर मिनिस्टर जोगीम आलमाव सांगता म्हणून आमकां काल नोटीस दिवन सांगला की आय एम डिफरिंग इट. आय विल अडॉप्ट सम अदर प्रोसिजर. ही नाटकां लेबर डिपार्टमेंटाक खूब तेंप चलतात. वी आर स्टील प्रिपेर्ड in front of the press that let the Labour Commissioner make the officer of this company sit next to her, and one worker is prepared to have a parade before her to show that we are the majority union.
Police force was deployed at the site to avoid any untoward incident. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamri, with video journalist Sushant Par.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.